Hi, I'm Leslie Paramore. Congratulations on choosing to participate in this unique course material, highlighting the signs of spiritual awakening and ascension. The information provided here is presented in a way that will be easy for you to understand and integrate into your personal life. There's a common buzzword among the spiritual community that presents itself in the form of a question. Are you awake? To the average human, it may sound like a foolish question to ask someone when it is obvious that the person is completely awake, standing directly in front of you with eyes wide open. Yet, I now present to you the same question. Are you awake? Most of us who have been experiencing the signs of awakening will understand that question because as we become more awake spiritually, we realize just how deeply asleep we were. At least that was the case with me. A spiritual awakening is simply a newfound perception or experience of life that comes on rapidly or gradually. Every soul will experience their personal awakening differently, yet many of the symptoms or signs of awakening are the same. I suppose you could compare it to how you feel when you first wake up in the morning. You're a little groggy and maybe a little bit disoriented as you wipe the sleepy film away from your eyes to clear your vision for the day. Sometimes it takes a bit of effort to wake up, but the inevitable happenstance will eventually come for everyone. There are many who are experiencing symptoms that can at times feel confusing and uncomfortable. And it's for this reason I felt inspired to offer a course that can help support you through this beautiful metamorphosis that you are currently experiencing. Your spiritual awakening will bring you to new horizons of possibility within your life. You will become more expansive and your life will transform to new ways of thinking, being, and believing. In fact, your once believing state, anchored in your limitation of the cocoon, will transform to an inner knowing that is virtually impossible to describe through words, unless you have experienced it for yourself. Are you ready to break free? Awesome. Let's get started.